Welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm here with a grocery haul for you today, and I went to Costco and also to Soopers. If you want to see my menu plan for the week, check in the description box below. So here's my Costco haul. Start here. I got some more butter, another rotisserie chicken. This is becoming a main staple for us. 2 packages of eggs, so this would make 4 dozen eggs. The sardines were on sale, so I bought 2 of these bricks. I like to have sardines sometimes for a quick lunch on crackers or toast, and so yeah, since they were on sale, I stocked up on them. I also this is another thing that's on sale. I only buy this Suja organic green juice when it's on sale because it's really expensive otherwise. I got some romaine hearts for us to do some salads with. This is one that I haven't tried before, organic riced cauliflower. I thought that maybe my girls who do not eat cauliflower, maybe they'll eat it if it's unrecognizable as cauliflower. I don't know. We'll see. I got some baby portobello mushrooms. Some avocados. I've been enjoying avocados a lot recently. I got some sweet potatoes. I decided to just give us a break from the white ones. More sauerkraut. I love this raw wild brine sauerkraut. It's really good, and I love that it's organic as well. These flour tortillas. These are our favorite tortillas. Costco also has them in organic. I just tried to save a few cents by getting the non-organic ones. My husband picked out more bagels. These were also on sale, $1 off the normal price. Pistachios, these were also on sale. I've been actually wishing that the pistachios would go on sale at Costco, and I'm so happy they did. You can see these are 2 enormous bags. We will start snacking on one this week, and I will hide the other one back in the back of my pantry to have, you know, maybe in a month or 2 when we really want pistachios again, but they won't be on sale. I decided to try this avocado oil mayo. I'm trying to get away from canola oil. I hardly ever eat mayo, but I like having some in my fridge for a few things. Apple cider vinegar. This is a double one. I really like getting raw apple cider vinegar. I don't think I've tried this particular one from Costco yet, but it's raw and unfiltered. This is the Asian snack mix. My husband thought this looked very yummy. He likes taking some snacks to work to eat in between meals. Then we got some organic tortilla chips. We love these chips. I also got 2 big boxes of diapers. They were on sale, and I like to stock up when they're on sale. And we also got these napkins over here. They were not on sale. Some of the other napkins from a different brand were on sale, but these ended up, the Kirkland ones, being cheaper even though they were not on sale. So I decided to get these. This is actually the first time since we've been married 7 years that I've bought napkins. We usually just use paper towels, or I have a few cloth napkins for the girls, but I thought some paper napkins would be really nice when we have company and just to have on hand for really yucky messes. And then back over here, our Costco does not actually have wine, and yeah, because of laws. So right next to Costco, we have like a little spirit store and wine store. So I got this Cabernet Sauvignon from California, Oak Grove Vineyard or Winery. And I basically got this because the price was great. We're using it for cooking. And so I didn't really care much about whether it's the most amazing wine or not. We might sip a little bit, but use it mostly for cooking. So anyway, what I spent at Costco was a grand total of $223.57. This will definitely last a long time. That includes the diapers. I usually don't count diapers and napkins in our grocery budget. Our grocery budget is only food. I'm trying to stick around $400 a month, and I did meet that goal last month. The wine, if you were wondering, came out, it was $5.99, but with the tax and everything, it came out to $6.38. So yeah, so that's my Costco haul, and just keep watching for my King Soopers. This is my little haul from King Soopers. So first, my husband's making enchilada sauce from scratch. He likes using these chilies here. I got a red cabbage, bananas. We were out of yellow mustard, but the organic yellow mustard there was super expensive, so I decided to get this stone ground mustard. I think it will taste really good too. We got, for a recipe this week, we got hoisin sauce and some sesame oil. The enchilada sauce calls for some cinnamon sticks, so we picked up some of those. And then I think, probably not this week, but maybe in the next couple weeks to come, I thought I'd like to cook some beans. I like getting dry beans because it's much cheaper than buying the canned beans. So I got these light red kidney beans and these garbanzo beans just to try cooking them from scratch. And yeah. So that's it. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more grocery hauls. I plan on checking out the farmer's market and seeing if there's any produce there this Saturday, and if so, I will probably add that haul to next Thursday's big Costco shop as well. This week was kind of different because I stocked up a lot on stuff because of the sales. But after, if you check back at my grocery hauls, I tend to have like a really big one and then maybe one or two smaller ones. But overall, I'm doing great staying in my budget, and I feel really proud of that. So be sure to comment below and tell me if you've tried that avocado mayo or a different brand of avocado mayo. Okay. See you. Thanks for watching.